Hi, I'm Rob. This is how you add panels to a kitchen island bench. Let's get into it. Start by measuring the face of your bench where the panels will go. Accurate measurements are really important to make sure your panels will line up neatly. With your measurements sorted, transfer them onto your panel sheets and mark out your cuts with a tape measure and a straight edge. Use a circular saw to cut your panels to size. If you need to cut around skirting boards, trace or mark the measurements and cut to size using a circular saw or jigsaw. Before fixing your panels, make sure you seal the cut edges with a coat of paint. This will protect the panels from absorbing moisture over time. Apply construction adhesive evenly to the back of each panel in a zigzag pattern. When positioning the panels, leave a 5mm gap at the bottom to allow for expansion. Press the panel firmly into place, starting from one end and working across to keep your lines nice and straight. For extra strength, while the adhesive sets, it's a good idea to add a few nails with a nail gun. Place them near the edges of the panels so they are less noticeable and easy to disguise once filled. Once all the panels are attached, run a bead of filler along the joins and in any small gaps where the panels meet other surfaces. This will help create a seamless look while still allowing for a little natural expansion and contraction. From here, you can finish the panels to suit your kitchen style. These ones are pre-primed, so 2 coats of paint will give you a professional result. If you're using raw timber panels, you could also choose to stain them for a different look. There you have it, a kitchen island with panels that adds character to the heart of your home. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.